How to log in to Avondale University. So if you want to log into Avondale University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Avondale University login. And once you've searched, here you will have login under Avondale. Click on that and it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank. So enter your username or your email address, anything. And then you need to enter your password on the next blank. And once you enter your password, you need to simply click on sign in or login, which is here on the bottom right side of your screen. And make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So you need to have access to the internet and enter your username and password and then click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your Avondale University if your information is correct. So that's it. That's how you log into your Avondale University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.